Okay, I want y'all to understand something. Mike just brought something up. I thought that is really important. Where we are right now, this is going to be pretty good because here's a boat coming. So we'll see how we deal with the wave. But we're at 55 feet right now. 55 feet. So Mike is standing up in his kayak. Well, let's see how we deal with this little wave coming. Mike's standing up in his kayak. Boat out here. That is where the dock is over there. Right now, we're about 55 feet. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that cool? So let's see how we deal with this wave. I'm supposed to turn into the wave. So let's see. You see it? Can you see it coming? It's coming. That's why I'm trying to record, because I can see the waves coming up.
You're not going to feel them at all. Head on like that.
Yes.
You won't even notice them.
Can y'all see it? Because this is y'all fear. This is every time I tell somebody about a kayak, they talk about these waves. Can y'all see me going over it? Can y'all see me going over them? I'm not paddling. If I was paddling, I would be doing even better. Don't rock the boat. Don't tip the boat over. Rock the boat. That's it. It's gone. Come on, y'all. We can do this. We're going to start a kayak club. We're going to go out together. We're going to have a good time. Somebody bring the sandwiches. Somebody bring the potato chips. Somebody bring the drinks, the fruit. And we're going to live. We don't have to be rich to live like we're rich. Moments, still in moments in life, that's the most important thing. When you lay down, and I've seen this. I've seen someone die in their 80s, and they laid down, and the only thing they talked about were their regrets. What they should have done. Shit, for $2,000, this boat is $1,259, I think it's like right now. And then if you get the paddle loose, that's like another $800, $900. Come on. And you got no worries. Okay, another wave, let's try it. Let's see. Here we go. One, two, three. Let's get it. Okay.